Welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. Guess what? It is that time of the year again. See how much growth I had since last year? So you guys know my beard wasn't this long last year, so I always cut it, always trim it up. Let's become Santa Claus again. Let's go.
Everything ready.
Well, we're trying. We're in the midst of it. You got to kind of wait, give it some time, see if it's working. I feel the burn. But just watch over the time. It's kind of how it did last year. My wife doesn't remember it doing like this, but I remember. Be back soon. So as you see, we got that stuff all in there. I haven't done my mustache yet, but kind of put that off. That'll sneak me up for a while. So we just give it a little time, let it do its magic, rinse it out, and then repeat the process until it looks right. Well, this is what I look like after the first application. Again, that's from last year's growth. Looks like maybe that changed a little bit. But other than that, that's all I'm really noticing. Felt like it was working. I got an ant on my glasses. It's awesome. Okay, round two. We tried a different bleach stuff. This almost has a purple tint to it. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see if this one works a little better. I feel the burn, baby. I feel the burn. Felt the burn with the other stuff too, but
This one is stronger?
I don't know. This one is. I'm smelling it pretty good. So it's highly toxic. No, I don't know. So let's see how it goes. All right, this is the second coat. Again, haven't done the mustache yet, but it's coming. Okay, this is after the second time. As you see, I got some colors through here too. But this is what it looks like right now. I might not have fully rinsed every little ounce out because I know I was retreating it, so we'll go again. Let's do this. So this is the second application. I got the mustache this time. There it is. It's getting there, boys and girls. Oh, man. Okay, you guys are not going to believe what happened to me, okay? We used this different stuff that was supposed to take the yellow out, right? So this is what I look like so far. However, the part that was already dyed from last year, you know, the yellow was deep into it, right? Let's look and see what color that turned. Yes, it is gray or platinum or like a purplish color. So yeah, we got to. This is not gonna fly. My wife is loving it because it's got this purple tint to it. But that was the part that was from last year. It's already colored, but it kept the color of the conditioning shampoo stuff that we put in there to take yellow out of your beard. So we're back at it for round three. Then here we go.
A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, here's what it looks like now. Still got a little bit of yellow there, but I tried to get that out a couple times. It didn't work yet, so this is the way it's going to be for now. Y'all look like Santa? Happy bird months, Philippines. Ho, ho, ho. Hey, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to our channel. Hit that like, share us out. You will be seeing plenty of videos coming up. Thank you all for watching.